Hello there, and welcome again to the Greasy Grub here in the night market. And today we are going to take a look at fried chicken baos, a sandwich made famous in Taiwan. First and foremost, you want to prep your chicken. Pour 1 small bowl of Tabasco hot sauce and 1 small bowl of warm water into a big bowl. And you want to whisk them so the sauce is diluted. Next, you want to add garlic powder, red chili flake powder, a bit of paprika, salt, and pepper. Whisk to combine. And now add our chicken and make sure all of the chicken is prepped nicely. Put them in the fridge for 2 to 24 hours. Once the chicken is ready, flour the chicken nicely and make sure they are all covered evenly. You can even squish the chicken to make sure the flour is covered all over. Into a hot oil pan they go for about 5 to 10 minutes of frying or until golden brown. Next is the assembly. I apologize for the error. Something went wrong with the original clips. However, for the sauce, it's simply mayonnaise mixed with Tabasco hot sauce with garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. On our recipe to make the bao bun itself, please check out our other recipe video on how to make the bao bun. And with all of that, you have made yourself a fried chicken bao. Enjoy.